स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्।
ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्।
ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्।
ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्।
Gently close your eyes and imagine yourself in the center of a paradise where you are surrounded with tall trees, hills, waterfall, and chirping of birds. Everything in your surrounding is unique, beautiful, and authentic. And even you are the most unique and precious person in the universe. And now speak to yourself. I am unique. I am the most beautiful person by heart. I am positive. And with this positivity, come back to the original world. Rub your hands and put them on your eyes and gently open your eyes.
Good morning, everyone. Today, I, Apsara, would like to quote a beautiful saying by Albert Einstein. The person who follows the crowd will usually go no further than the crowd. The person who walks alone is likely to find himself in places no one has ever seen before. Being different doesn't make you an outsider. It makes you unique and makes you stand out while looking into an unchanged world. In fact, all of us are unique, but the thoughts of uniqueness makes us common. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Everyone, I am Neha from class 12th medical. Today I am going to speak on topic uniqueness. Every person in this world has his own way of thinking or acting. That person could choose to be either unique or let other people to accept him as he is. Or they could easily copy other people so they would fit into a certain group. For some people, it is better to fit in a group. Others say that they should be their own self and not act as how other people want them to act like. Every person is unique and they should be proud of it. Thank you and have a good day.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे। गाहे तव जय गाथा जय जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे